Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to get straight to the point because I am pressed for time and I'm actually challenging myself to do what I'm about to do in record time. So in today's video, I'm going to be getting mini twists. I'm going to be doing mini twists on my own hair. This is what my hair is looking like. I have not touched my hair since my last wash day, which was about 2 days ago. And now I'm doing this video in the morning. I'm supposed to be heading to the gym in about 3 hours or 2 hours or so. So I want to challenge myself to see if I can get this twist done in about 1 hour and at most 30 minutes. If not 1 hour, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 1 hour. That's the timeline. So I'm not going to waste time. You guys, I may not talk or do a voiceover. So I'm simply going to start by my hair is freshly washed. I'm just going to loosen these braids one by one. And then I'm going to comb out the braids, put them into twist to make the process a little faster. And then I'm going to get right into twisting. So I'm going for a mini twist. I'm going to try and make the twist as small as I can. And let's just see how that goes. Welcome to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell beside so you'll be notified whenever I post new content. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me for yet another video. Let's get this started. When it comes to mini twist, you want to make sure that you prepare your hair beforehand. Preparing your hair beforehand will save you so much time and stress. So for example, I'm trying to get my twist done on stretched hair. And as you can see, because my hair was already in braids, it's a bit stretched. So loosening those braids and making it into twist will save so much time compared to if I was just going to start twisting my hair from the back and I was twisting my hair and loosening the braids and putting them into twist at the same time. So I hope that makes sense, but just prepare your hair generally before you start twisting. You'll save yourself so much time. The breakage that I have gotten from my entire head. This is impressive. Like, I know I combed my hair already when I washed, but this impressive. So we're going to get right into twisting. When it comes to parting for mini twist, the only time I part is when I want to make the line for the first section. That's the section I'll be cutting out the smaller sections from. After that, I use my fingers to just cut out the smaller sections and then I twist. But if you can't do it this way, you can use a comb to cut out your smaller parts. But for me, using my fingers is faster and also I don't waste as much time as if I was going to be using a comb.
Me wind and rain. some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Plan to spend 1 hour my entire plan to spend 1 hour twisting this hair was a complete joke. Number one, because from the size, as I'm speaking to you, I've already done 2 hours. Really? I started by 8:40, 9:40. I think I'm almost brushing 2 hours, so I'm just going to go ahead and take my time and reschedule my gym for later. So I'm at the front now, and I've done the most part, that's the back, so this is what's left. So I'm just going to continue. By the way, we all know when it comes to styles like this, the trick, if you don't want to feel like you're spending too much time, the trick is simply put a movie on and start twisting your hair. For twist and generally any hairstyle. So I'm watching Pretty Little Liars as I'm twisting my hair. So that's what's keeping me entertained.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby,
Okay, guys, so I am done. This is what my hair is looking like after all of the filming and all of the clips and all of that. I started out trying to get these twists done in an hour, and that was an epic fail. That was such an epic fail. I don't even know what made me think that I could twist my hair in this size within an hour or an hour 30 minutes. But to cut a long story short, I finished by 12 o'clock. So I started by 8:40 a.m. and I finished by about 11, let's say 11:55 a.m., which is essentially 12 o'clock. So that took me almost 3 hours and 30 minutes. So all in all, these are the results, and I am very pleased. I can already see that my hair has grown a little longer than compared to the last time that I got mini twist. But that's about it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly stay subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.